Well, howdy there, folks. This is Glenda Pearl McMahon, your trusty archivist, stepping in for Belle on this fine morning. The time is 00:43 a.m. on the 17th of June, 2025. We're here on the East Coast where the weather is brisk and invigorating, perfect for a morning jog. But enough about that. Let's dive into today's topic. Science news. NASA teams up with India to launch first of its kind $1.5 billion satellite. This news comes to us from our reliable source at NASA. Now, y'all listen up because this ain't just any old satellite launch. No, see. This is the first of its kind collaboration between NASA and India's space agency, ISRO. They are launching a whopping $1.5 billion satellite into space. I reckon that's more than what my husband Sylvester spends on his remote control car projects with our son Rory. This joint venture aims to study climate change and its impact on Earth's ecosystems, a subject dear to my heart as an archivist preserving our history for future generations. Now, isn't that something? Two nations putting their heads together for the greater good of humanity. I can almost hear sarcastic Jack saying, "Well, it's about time." You remember Jack, don't you? Our drill sergeant friend who sometimes fills in for Deacon when he's off tripping over his own dating mishaps. But let me not digress too much here. We've got news to discuss. The satellite will carry sophisticated instruments capable of monitoring changes in Earth's surface temperature and atmospheric conditions, critical data needed for climate change research. Now, ain't that something? It reminds me of Rory's science project last year, where he built a mini weather station, only this one cost a tad bit more than Rory's budget. Before I sign off, let me remind you about the Belle and the Deacon chat podcast with Belle Maybelline Santiago and Deacon Isaiah Hart. It's a treasure trove of information and advice, just like our chatbot, Belle Chat. So do give it a listen. And while we're at it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment or two. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this exciting collaboration between NASA and India. This is Glenda Pearl McMahon signing off from Belle's Briefing and AI-generated news bites. Y'all have a blessed day now. And remember, keep looking up. There's always something amazing happening in the sky.